Hello there, my tubes. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So I am continuing forward with doing initial reviews of Christmas items that I received in my stocking stuffer for the year 2024. A lot of these gifts are gifts that were gifted to me through family members, and some I gifted myself. And let me just tell you, from the thumbnail, you already know what this review is going to be about. And y'all, this was a blind buy. And I'm kind of on the fence about this perfume. I don't love it. So if you've seen the thumbnail, you already know that I am talking about the Fleur Musc by Narciso Rodriguez. And I probably butchered his name, but y'all don't know what I'm trying to say. So this is women's perfume. This is not a unisex. This is for her. This size, I cannot even remember the size of this because I've gotten rid of the box. But I guess it's the standard size. I'm not really sure. Y'all, please don't come for me. I am new to the perfume game. I have not always liked wearing perfume because I always just had the hardest time with trying to find the right perfume that syncs well with my body chemistry. But here lately, for the last year or so, I have been deep into perfume, okay? And I love it. But anywho, I decided to treat myself to the Fleur Musc by Narciso Rodriguez. And y'all, I'm kind of sort of disappointed about this particular perfume. I don't love the scent. Now, this may be more of a summer scent. I did get this around the holidays, so I don't know that I like it in the winter. So it may smell better during the summer. I did notice on fragrance.net that this particular one got 5 stars. Let me make sure. Hold on. Yeah, this one got 5 stars, and it just completely blows my mind. Now y'all, I did not get this from fragrance.net. I got it somewhere else. But I'm sure that this is legitimate. This is the real perfume. I don't like it. But let's just talk about some of the notes that are in this. Okay, so this does consist of rosy nuance of pink pepper at the top. And then an elegant floral bouquet of rose and peony adds a hint of femininity to the heart of this fragrance, while musk raises the sensuality. But when it hits dry down, you guys, it's more of a warm and an earthy note. You get a lot of that patchouli and amber and a little bit of violin at the base. So I like the dry down. I'm not gonna even front you now. The dry down I like. It's just the initial rosy scent that I don't like. And I don't think that this is not a fall or winter perfume. I will have to revisit this one in the summer. But the weird thing is, it's hard for me to really describe to you guys, but the weird thing is I can't stop wearing it. I like it and I don't like it. Or let's flip it. I don't like it, but I like it. I don't know what it is in it that attracts me to it, but I just keep on wearing it. So it's something that attracts me to it that I haven't quite put my finger on it yet. And like I said, that I am new to the perfume game, girl. So I don't know what's in it that still has your girl hypnotic, okay? I know it ain't the peony. I know it ain't the floral, because I love floral in the summer, but I don't too much like it in the fall and winter like that. So whatever is in here, I'm attracted to it. Okay, it's almost like one of those things where it's ugly on the outside, but it's just so beautiful on the inside, and it's what's on the inside that really matters. So whatever is on the inside, which is that dry down, seems to keep me wanting to wear it. So, and I don't even wear a lot, but let me say, for a beginner perfume wearer, I do not recommend this. I mean, you have to have a certain nose for perfume. So I am learning in my journey of wearing it. I don't recommend this for a beginner. A beginner, you may want something a little bit more softer. This may be medium harsh for a new beginner, unless you just truly like the scent like that. But I don't even know if I would buy this again. I don't know. I have to just wait till the summer. But as it stands right now, since we're still in the winter, I don't know that I'll buy this again. And I paid full price, y'all. Because, see, I got drawn in by the color and the look of this bottle. Something about the look just draws me. I recommend, if you're going to try a new perfume, please just get if you can't get the tester, which is usually cheaper, then get the trial size or the smallest size they got. Don't be like me and make the mistake of getting the full size because you just like wait a bottle up. Don't do that. But this is one of the items that I got for Christmas. Depending on where you buy it, this can range anywhere from $180, and I think I seen it as low as $80 something if you get it on fragrance.net. Remember, size does matter. Size does determine what your price is going to be. Where you purchase it from also is going to determine what the price is going to be. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, this was one of my Christmas buys. If you like Narciso Rodriguez perfumes, tell me down in the comment section, which do you recommend? Which scent do you recommend for a beginner? Or what scent do you think I will like? Because my taste varies, so I'm not really sure what I truly like. I'm trying to figure it out. The initial spray on to me seem like it's like for your great grandma, not even your grandma. It seems like it's more of your great grandma's scent. When it first hit you, when them florals first hit you, smell like old florals, if that makes sense. Like back in the day, if you were one of those kids that grew up in 50s, 60s, 70s, maybe 80s, that first initial scent, you've smelt on your teacher. You may have even smelt it on your grandma and grandma, great grandma. You know what I'm saying? It's just something about that initial smell.